So you're looking to add some moderators to your Facebook group because you need help running it, but you don't exactly know who you want to add as a moderator or exactly how to add them as a moderator. So in this video, I'm going to go over with you not only exactly how you can add a moderator to your Facebook group, but exactly who's the best people to add as moderators, and of course, what exactly is a moderator and what can they do in a Facebook group. Let's go right now.
We all win when we all win. All win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend, it's Super Sid, and I'm an organic marketing coach who has helped hundreds of people build systems so that they can find their next clients online organically for free. And in today's video, I'm going to go over with you not only how can you add a moderator to your Facebook groups, but who's the best people to add as moderators, and well, let's answer the question. What exactly is a moderator and what can they do inside a Facebook group? Let's go. All right, so first things first, what is a moderator of a Facebook group? So when you're building a Facebook group, ultimately you're looking to build a Facebook group so that you can attract people to that Facebook group and then have discussions, have events, and have all these things that happen inside this Facebook group. It's kind of like a group full of parties, and then you're getting to throw these parties for people, and ultimately you're looking for people to help when it comes to running and managing the day-to-day of this Facebook group. So when you built the Facebook group, ultimately there's like different levels of people, and the two top levels of a Facebook group are going to be your administrator, and then you're going to have your moderator. So your moderator is going to sit right below the administrator. Your administrator is going to be kind of like that owner of the Facebook group, and they're going to control everything inside that Facebook group, not only the people inside the Facebook group in the day-to-day, but they're also going to control the name of the group, the profile pictures of the group, stuff like that. They're going to be able to have a little bit more control over what happens internally inside the group, whereas the moderator is going to have control over the people inside the group, as well as control over what happens in the day-to-day of the group, like adding events, as well as even having control of who can be inside the group and who cannot. So there are going to be lots of different levels that a moderator is going to have, and it's just understanding exactly who we want to add as a moderator, which is exactly what we want to go into next. All right, so now that we know what a moderator is, let's go into who we want to add as a moderator to our Facebook group. So ultimately, when we have a moderator as a group, right, they do hold some of the keys to that Facebook group and the Facebook group's day-to-day. They don't hold like things like the name of the group and stuff like that. So they can't like go in and accidentally delete your group, but what they can do is they can go in and cause some damage. So the number one thing that we want to make sure we do when we're adding moderators to our groups is there are people that we trust. It's very important that we have people that we trust as moderators in the group because they're going to be in control of a lot of the day-to-day things that we have inside that group, including things like daily discussions, events, communication with people in the group. So we want to make sure that those moderators are people that we can trust and ultimately people that we know are going to do what they say and help us when it comes to running the day-to-day of our Facebook group. Before I go over the step-by-steps on exactly how you can add someone in your Facebook group as a moderator, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day, helping people just like you when it comes to building a system online so that you can find your next clients organically for free. Click the button to subscribe. So now let's go over the step-by-step guide and walk you through exactly how you can take someone inside your Facebook group and add them as a moderator. Let's go. So when you're wanting to add a moderator to a Facebook group, the first thing we want to do is obviously go to our personal Facebook page on Facebook so that we can go to our menu and find the group at which we want to add that moderator. So once we go here to our personal Facebook page on Facebook, the first thing we want to do is go up to the menu in the top right-hand corner. If you're on your phone, it would be in the bottom right-hand corner, but on our desktop here, it's in the top right-hand corner with these 9 dots. We click on menu, and then once we click on menu, we'll simply go to groups here in the menu, in which case we're going to see the groups that we own so that we can add that moderator. We're going to go into the group that we want to add the moderator in. So we would click on the group that we wanted to. And then once we go to that group, you're going to be added. Now, obviously, on the left-hand side, you're going to see all your settings and all of that fun stuff, and then your nav and all of this. Where we want to go is go up in the nav, and then once we go in the nav of the group, you want to click on members. When we click on members, it's going to bring up all the members of the Facebook group. And then what we want to do with these members is we want to go down to the one that we would like to make an admin of this Facebook group, and we would simply go down to them, click on their so I've already invited her, so we would simply click on their name, or we would click on this over here. Sorry, let me find one I haven't invited yet. We would then go over here we would click on their name. And simply what we would do is we would see a menu pop up, and then you're going to see this button here that says Add as Moderator. You simply here are just going to click on Add as Moderator. It's going to say invite Tracy to be a moderator, or invite the person that you want to add as a moderator to get the invite. And then basically they have to accept the invite for them to become a moderator of that group. Simply click on Send Invite to send the invite for them to be a moderator of the group. It's then going to tell you in the bottom left-hand corner here that you've then invited that person to be a moderator of the group. They've received that invite, and once they accept that invite, they then would be a moderator of that Facebook group. So are you using your Facebook group to find your next client online organically for free? Then my super online organic prospecting system bundle is just for you. And inside this bundle, I'll give you 3 of my top selling courses, all geared around helping you build a system online so that you can use this system to find your next client online organically for free. Right now, you can grab your super online organic prospecting system for over 97% off. Just head to www.supersidsgift.com or click the link in the description and grab your super online organic prospecting system bundle right now for over 97% off. Don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by taking action now and grabbing your super online organic prospecting system bundle for over 97% off. We'll see you on the other side. Talk soon.
Let's go. We all win when we all win.